Hi, this is Ashok by Ashok Soft Solutions. Here I will explain about supermarket maintenance software. It is useful for every supermarket present days. This software have the main features. Only authorized persons can access the software. There are two types of users can access the software. That one is employee and admin. The employee login have the facilities to enter new stock into the database, edit and update the stock details, day-wise bill collection report, and month-wise bill collection report. And other one is employee view. That employee view have the facilities like billing and present and past billing prints and present day billing status, and also it have backup facility available and 24 by 7 tech support system provided by the for this software provided by this. If anybody want this software, contact me directly or call or WhatsApp to my mobile number and mail IDs. Now I will explain this software how will it will works with the live environment. It have two login windows. First one is admin and second one is employee login. First one is admin login. Those who have username and passwords, they can only enter to the admin login. Here I'm entering admin username and passwords. After entering that, it will display like this. Look here, how many options: home, day report, day wise report, monthly report, and my admin logit. Here displaying the supermarket name and the date and time. Then after left side window, left side part showing stock update. Here displaying present stock details. Look here, how many types of stocks available in our database. And the right side, the stock details displaying that serial number and stock, item name, quantity, per cost, if any GST, and total price. If you want to enter new product into the database using this add new item, look here, I am adding a new one, that is Sensodyne toothpaste, 50 grams, and the quantity I am adding 20 items. Each one price is 56 rupees 75 paisa. GST 2% or 1% GST. Just I added. Look here, Sensodyne toothpaste, 20 items. Each one cost is 56. If you want to update the present data, look here, I am here adding another 20 items to the stock. Ajanta brush, cashew nuts. Look here, cashew nuts. 21 packets available, but I want to add there is cashew nuts. I want to add five packets. Each one cost is old cost is 112 rupees point 50 paisa, but here 115.80 paisa. So after that, look here, 26 items and new cost is placed into the cart. You can view the day report. Here no day report, present day report, the day wise report. Here look here, day wise report. Day, each day, how much bill amount is collected each day. And month report, look here, month wise also display. It is the admin side, and the other side is employee login. It will also protected by username and password. Who have this username and password, they can only enter into the window. Look here, present, no billing status. Present bill is 1028. Okay, it will also have home, bill print, check balance, backup, and user logout. Bill print, here no bills at present day. Okay, check balance, no sellings today. So if you want to sell items, look here, toothpaste, close up toothpaste, 2 items, automatically added, right side window. Take here and line date syrup, single piece. I'm adding to the billing. Sugar, 6 kgs, and surf excel, 2 packets, and sunflower oil, some rich category, 3 packets, and Santur soaps, 4 items, and close up toothpaste already over, cashew nuts 2 packets. After that you can pay bill. If you want to pay bill, look here, bill print 1028, present bill. Look at this is the bill item. Okay, bill print. Then check balance. Check balance means present only one bill. We have only one bill. So if you want another bill, look here, home, add items to bill, line dates 2, and palm oil on packet, star chicken masala 4 packets, sugar 5 kgs, wheel soaps 8, and surf excel 2 packets, sunflower oil. Next bill payment. Look here, bill came. Look here, bill print. Today I have 2 bills, 1028 and 1029. You want to reprint again bill 1029. Look here, bill. You can also check bills. And today balance is 2 bills. The total amount is collected amount is 2633.79 paise. On the other side, look here, day report. Here, no displaying day report. Look at day wise report also here. Present 30. Today report. Admin side, we can view day wise and month wise reports. And any item you want to add to the stock, that can be possible through the admin side. And employee side, only sellings and balance check and bill print. These can only possible on the employee side. If you want to take any backup, click here. Backup facility also on the employee side. And okay, if you want to out from this window, user logout and admin logout. Dear ones, anybody want to this software, contact to me. Thank you.